In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a list as a template in ClickUp. Whether you're a project manager, a team lead, or just someone who loves staying organized, creating templates in ClickUp can save you tons of time and effort. Templates allow you to reuse your perfectly curated lists for future projects, ensuring consistency and efficiency. So, if you've ever found yourself wishing you could replicate a well-organized list without starting from scratch, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your ClickUp workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the specific list that you want to save as a template. This could be a list you've been working on for a while, or a new one you've carefully set up. Make sure you've selected the right list because this is the one we'll be turning into a reusable template. Now, take a moment to review the list thoroughly. Check that all tasks, subtasks, custom views, and automations are finalized and well organized. If there are old or unnecessary items that you no longer need, this is the perfect time to remove them to keep the template clean and focused. A little preparation here will make your template much more effective later. Next, hover over the name of your list in the sidebar. Keep an eye out for the ellipses icon. It's that three-dot symbol that will appear when you hover. Once it shows up, click on it. Alternatively, you can also right-click the list name to bring up the same menu. Either option works, so go with whichever feels more natural for you. From the menu that opens, hover over the option labeled Templates. As you hover, a secondary menu will appear. In this menu, select Save as Template. This is the feature we'll use to save all the details of your list for future use. After selecting Save as Template, a modal window will pop up. Here, you'll need to give your template a clear and descriptive name. Think of a name that reflects the purpose of this template, so it's easy to identify later. For example, if this list is for managing product launches, you could name it Product Launch Template. You'll also have the option to add a description. While this step is optional, it's highly recommended. Use the description to explain the template's purpose and how it should be used. This is especially helpful if other team members will be working with the template in the future. Now, configure the sharing options for your template. You can choose to make it private, share it with specific people, or make it available to everyone in your workspace. Think about who will need access to this template and set the permissions accordingly. Next, you'll see the import options. This is where you can customize what gets included in your template. Decide whether you want to include or exclude tasks, subtasks, custom fields, due dates, and statuses. Tailor these options to fit the purpose of your template. For example, if you want the template to remain flexible, you might choose to exclude due dates. Once everything is set, it's time to finalize your work. Look to the lower right corner of the modal and click the Save Template button. This will save your list as a new template, ready to be used whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully created a reusable list template in ClickUp. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.